Hello again, and welcome to our occasional series on adverbs. Today I'm going to be looking at the sixth letter of the alphabet, the letter F. My first example is fairly. When we use this adverb, we refer to something that is done justly or evenly. It can also take on the meaning of impartially, moderately, tolerably. Let's examine various examples. He's fairly tall for his age. That means more than average, but less than very. I am fairly certain that this is not the right location. We need to consult the map. I think I came across a reference to that place fairly recently. The judges are always impartial and treat all the contestants fairly and without prejudice. This means justly. The school board is corrupt. It never treats its employees fairly. It always sides with the student's position because it does not want to risk losing investment. It will never back up a colleague. Faithfully. A synonym is loyally, in a loyal way or in a way that can be trusted. For example, the butler served the Duke's family loyally for more than 45 years and was recognized for his admirable service after eventual retirement when the Duke gave him a small cottage on his estate. Famously. We use this adverb to signify that something or someone is well known, usually because of a remarkable or extreme quality. It gives the notion of something being done in a celebrated manner, or can even be used as a synonym for very when we want to convey a sense of something done to an unusual degree. For example, bell ships, the famously touted spread narrowed to insignificant levels. Norway-based bulker owner and operator Bell Ships has so far stayed clear of investing in scrubbers and has no plans of changing its position on the matter. He has designed outfits for many celebrities, most famously Princess Diana and Lady Gaga. Fast. This adjective can be used as an adverb to mean quickly. For example, it is fast becoming the major tourist destination on the south coast. Fatally. This adverb means leading to or causing death. For example, there was a horrendous crash on the M5 motorway, leaving several people injured and 2 fatally wounded. Ferociously. From the adjective ferocious. This adverb means to behave in a way that is extremely aggressive, like a wild animal. It can also be used figuratively, meaning to a very great degree. For example, in a ferociously competitive environment, success comes down to relationships. Or, figuratively, she is a ferociously talented musician who displays an ardor in her face and body as she tackles the most difficult sonatas, conveying a real passion and understanding of the music. Fervently. This is an adverb that conveys the sense of doing something passionately or enthusiastically to a high degree. It can also suggest great warmth or depth of feeling. It expresses you are behaving in a way that shows that your beliefs are strong and sincerely felt. For example, the revolutionaries fervently believed that they could rid their country of their oppressors. Or, the decision was fervently opposed by the majority of councillors. Fiercely. This adverb describes the way you might act in a powerful, violent or frightening way. It can also be a synonym for extremely. For example, the youth of today are fiercely competitive. The fire burned fiercely through the old town, destroying many ancient historical buildings. We often come across fiercely with the word opposed. To be fiercely opposed to something means that you are strongly against it.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.